Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic morning. I've never done anything like this, but this video is going to be very different. In today's video, I'm going to give you two very fresh, hot stocks. Actually, this is my two hot stock picks that come out in my Discord every single morning. And I'm going to cover this a lot earlier than I typically do. Usually later on in the day, I do a video after the market is closed for the next day. But today is going to be some fresh information. Now, my normal editor is in finals week, so gotta love finals. And so this will not be edited. This will just be straight to you, get you the information that you need. Year to date, personally, I am at a 174.73% gain with my callouts, but I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence and be responsible for your own stocks and follow your own strategies. If you do follow me, follow my strategies. Every stock that I pick has a strategy behind it. I do that, and that's how I have success. But before I get going in this video, if you could do me a favor and please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. Of course, I've already mentioned it. I have a Patreon group. There's a link in the description down below. That basic membership is at least what you need. There are other memberships in there, all kinds of different levels to choose from. And I have a new level that is basic plus long-term picks. And so that's kind of a great thing, and that's something new that's in there. I hope to see you there. All right, so let me just quickly recap two stocks that I sold yesterday. I sold PRTY for a 13.76% gain, called that out on Monday, and also sold XM for a 5.10% gain that I called out on Monday. So, SPY and the Elliott Wave, well, let's take a look. I have this pulled up already. Yes, we've had this major pullback and we bounced off of this big early this morning. One thing that's kind of going on is more fear, more concern over Omicron and all that kind of stuff. So the pre-market is down 0.31, a little bit down, no big deal. I'm expecting maybe a little bit of a pullback, but as we go and continue upwards, I'm expecting a big move upwards. And for this to get to as high as 480, or even the SPY to get as high as 500, and that could happen as soon as the end of the year, believe it or not. I think the market could get really hot. In my opinion, we are about to start wave 3 on the daily chart of the Elliott Wave, according to the SPY. All right, so let's get into these stocks. They are hot, so we want to get into it and start talking about it right away. The very first stock pick that I made this morning was Twitter, ticker symbol TWTR. My average in this is $45.65. I was able to load some shares in pre-market. I love these big cap stocks because I can get in pre-market and it's rather easy before the hype gets going. Anyway, my price targets for this, as you can see pulled up here, the very first one is $52.50. The next price target I have is 61 on this gap close up, and then 65 on another gap close up. Now, I may sell earlier than that. When this stock hits my exit point, as per my strategy, I'm going to sell it no matter what. That is what I do. I follow my stock trading strategy. I don't trade on emotion ever. The reason why I like this stock is because we had a $95 million insider purchase. Man, that was big. That's huge. And they loaded everywhere between $43.81. This director bought between $43.81 to $45.80. Why would they do that? Well, this is a phenomenal value. This is the daily chart. And Twitter is way too low. It became ridiculously oversold. Shorts took it too far, and this is this is going to continue. Twitter's going to continue to be big. This is not going to stop. I use Twitter each and every day. We've had a MACD golden cross down here. I'm expecting a big move upwards towards this first level of resistance to watch for. So expecting this to be a really good buy. If you can get in on this and possibly get in around 47. Now, once market opens, I'm sure that this thing is going to get hot and really move upwards. So you'll just kind of have to weigh it out and gauge it from there. But I think this is the support level. This is where it's destined, in my opinion, to go, is this $52. So if you can get it under 47.40, I like that level right there. And it should break through that, come back, bounce on it, and continue upwards. That's what I think is going to happen. Do I know what's going to happen? No one knows exactly what's going to happen in the stock market. I get so many questions from people who think I know everything, and I definitely don't. So, all right, let's get to pick number 2 and take a look at it. Pick number 2 is Dick's Sporting Goods, ticker symbol DKS. My first price target for this is $123. My second, up here on this gap close, my second is another gap close at 140. My average in it's 112.10. I was able to grab some in pre-market this morning. And an executive chairman bought $25 million worth at 110.30 average. So very, very good. What do we got going on here? Another stock that is oversold, that just bounced off of oversold. We're all the way down here to 105. This is crazy. But anyway, expecting a big move upwards with this insider activity, this executive chairman buying up shares. I go to Dick's Sporting Goods all the time, so I do lots of shopping there and different things of that nature with my son and all kinds of stuff. So buying stuff for him typically is what I end up doing. But anyway, this one is looking really good. I love the chart on this. And I think it's a fantastic value, especially after earnings. Got a little bit of a beat down after earnings, but feel good about the move that's about to happen here. And this one should be good for you. All right. Well, reach out to me in the comment section down below. I always love to hear from you, my viewers, and tell me what you think. I always want to make this channel better and better for you. Anyway, let's have a fantastic trading day. Why not? And a fantastic rest of the week and weekend. I wish you all the best, and Raythoven out.